wanna hit them all.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about a thing, babe. I'm right where you put me. Check the tag. Everything tailored.
This is so relaxing.
The sun hits the marble at 10:30. I'm waking up in the fragrance of your skin. You left the
Did he eat my dust?
by the espresso machine. Don't do it, just keep the sheets clean.
Woo!
Browsing
Hey, you're trying to lose a friend?
Oh,
red-handed.
This is some good pizza? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. So cheesy.
Y'all are killing me with this pizza. Look at that cheese pull.
Waiting for
Your wedding was epic. She was breathtaking.
I used to grind for every dime I made. Now I'm living in the shadow of the moves you played. It's a different kind of power, a different kind of role. When you love me this hard, I give up all control. I'm a kept man, and I love the way it feels. Polished stone floor, and a clicking of your heels. You handle the business, sign the checks on the velvet gold hanging around your neck. No pressure, no stress, just the best of the best. Yeah, I'm a man, yeah. Put my heart to the test. Valet knows my name, the drivers know the route. You like it when I'm silent, you know what I'm about. Dinner's on the table when you walk through the door. A vintage red port, you couldn't ask for more. Say I'm your trophy, well, polish me up. It's a sweet kind of nectar in this crystal cup. They can call it what they want, baby. Let the neighbors talk. I'm the one you hold. We take that.
You say it will never end. You have the rest of our life.
But I got the woman who owns all the land. You're the CEO.